Most people get this wrong when using Walmart self-checkout. They think it's as simple as scanning items and paying. But one small mistake can slow you down, trigger an employee check, or leave you wondering why an item won't scan. Here's the truth, no one tells you. Once you know the process, Walmart self-checkout is one of the fastest ways to shop and leave the store. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use Walmart self-checkout in 2026, step by step, including a few tips that can save you time and frustration. Let's start with the basics. When you arrive at the self-checkout area, choose an available machine. Most screens will automatically display a welcome message. Tap the screen if needed to begin. Next, scan your first item. Locate the barcode and pass it over the scanner until you hear a beep. The item should immediately appear on the screen with its price. After scanning, place the item in the designated bagging area if required by that location. Then continue scanning the rest of your items one by one. This is where most people fail. Many shoppers scan items too quickly or place products in the wrong area before the system registers them. If an item doesn't appear on the screen, don't assume it's scanned correctly. Always check the display before moving on. Now here's where it gets interesting. What if an item won't scan? Don't panic. Most self-checkout stations allow you to search for certain products manually, especially produce items. If that doesn't work, an associate nearby can quickly assist you. Take Alex as an example. He scanned 10 items successfully, but one package wouldn't register. Instead of rescanning repeatedly, he asked for assistance and was back on track in seconds. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to finish your transaction faster. Once all items are scanned, review your cart on the screen. Make sure quantities and prices look correct. If you have coupons, gift cards, or Walmart rewards that apply, enter them before payment. Next, select your payment method. Most locations accept debit cards, credit cards, gift cards, and various digital payment options. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete payment. But here's the problem. Many shoppers forget to wait for the final approval screen. Don't leave immediately after paying. Wait until the transaction is complete and your receipt is available. Finally, take your receipt and all purchased items before leaving the checkout area. So that's how Walmart self-checkout works in 2026. Scan carefully, verify each item, review your total, and complete payment before leaving. Follow these steps and you'll get through checkout quickly and confidently. If this guide helped you, like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Walmart tips, shopping guides, and money-saving tutorials.